Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a new video in community medicine. Topic is nutrition and health. In this topic, we see about different types, source, utility, hypo and hyperfunction, sources and utility of nutrients. So this topic includes introduction, diet, types of diet, balanced diet, importance of balanced diet, idea of nutrients, good and harmful food, superfood, micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, trace elements, nutrition and dental health of children, conclusion, reference. So, introduction of this topic, nutrition and health. When man broke from the natural food chain, he developed new energy resources, and applied technology to food processing. Since then, our dietary habits have undergone major changes. Both the qualitative nature of our diet and pattern of eating has changed and are changing. So, from ancient time or time of evolution to till date, our mode of living, diet habit gradually change and improve from ancient time to present time. In ancient time, our forefather takes uncooked food. At present, we take maximum cooked and processed food. So this habit changed in relation to production, preservation, processing and utilization. So that also affects the nutrition value of that particular food item. What is diet? According to Nigel 1989, total oral intake of a substance that provides nourishment and supply is called diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is who providing each nutrient in the needed to maintain optimum health. This definition given by Stewart. Those food items who needed to maintain optimum health is called balanced diet. So balanced diet, content of balanced diet depends upon age group and sex, also according to work habit or occupation. Nutrition. The science which deals with the study of nutrients and foods and their effect on the nature and function of organism under different conditions of age, health and age. This definition given by Nigel 1989. Types of diet. Different types of diet. Number one, vegetarian diet. A vegetarian diet is one which exclude meat. The diet without meat item is vegetarian diet. Fruitarian diet, a diet which predominantly consists of raw fruit. Lacto-vegetarian, a vegetarian diet that includes a certain type of dairy but exclude eggs and foods which contain animal rennet. Flexitarian diet, a predominantly vegetarian diet in which meat is occasionally consumed. Kangatarian diet, a diet originating from Australian region. In addition to food permissible in a vegetarian diet, kangaroo meat is also consumed. Pescatarian diet, a diet which includes fish but not meat. Plant-based diet, a broad term to describe diets in which animal products do not form a large proportion of diet, is called plant-based diet. Belief-based diet, diet based on belief. Buddhist diet. While Buddhism does not have specific dietary rules, some Buddhists practice vegetarianism based on a strict interpretation of the first of the 5 precepts. Hindu and Jain diets. Followers of Hinduism and Jainism may follow lacto-vegetarian diet based on the principle of ahimsa, non-harming. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian diet, a vegetarian diet that includes eggs and dairy. Vegan diet, in addition to the requirement of a vegetarian diet, vegan do not eat food produced by animal such as eggs, dairy products and honey. Diet followed for medical reasons. Best diet, a diet designed to help prevent multiple sclerosis by avoiding foods with certain type of protein. Colon cancer diet, calcium, milk and garlic are thought to help prevent colon cancer. Red meat and processed meat may increase risk. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. A balanced diet contains sufficient amount of fiber and the various nutrients to ensure good health. Food should also provide the appropriate amount of energy and adequate amount of water. A balanced diet should be both adequate and wholesome. This is quality of a balanced diet. Importance of balanced diet. A balanced diet is important because your organs and tissues needed proper nutrition to work effectively. Without good nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and poor performance. A balanced diet is important to maintain health and a sensible body weight. No single food will provide all nutrients. It is essential for a balanced diet that it must contain sufficient amount of nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, mineral, etc. So, balanced diet required for the proper growth and development of the body who prevent from the infections, fatigue and poor performance. Improper diet may result in poor growth, poor development, poor physical and mental health, infectious disease, and lastly, death. In this way, this is the result of improper diet. But even if you take over diet, it may lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, diabetes, heart conditions or heart disease, many other diet related diseases and death. So hyper and hypo of diet both are injurious. The objective of a balanced diet and healthy diet to achieve a healthy weight and energy balance, elimination of trans fatty acids and saturated fats, consumption of unsaturated fatty acid, intake of simple sugar should be limited, include a high amount of vegetables, fruits, nuts, legumes and whole grains, intake of iodized salt and limit consumption of sodium. Essential amino acids and proteins should form a major part of diet. Avoid consumption of food substances containing artificial preservative and carcinogens. Food contaminated with human pathogen should be strictly avoided by food processing technology or sterilization. Limit intake of caffeine and alcohol. Inclusion of vitamins, minerals and fibers in daily diet. Consume plenty of safe water. Healthy balanced diet plan. For this, simply avoiding consumption of carbohydrates and fat does not imply you are on a balanced diet. You must know that carbohydrates and fats energize the body to perform activities. It allows you to remain active. People who are striving towards weight loss goals should limit rather than curtailing them completely. Diet. A proper combination of fruit, vegetable, grains and dairy product will undoubtedly ensure a balanced diet. So, balanced diet is combination of fruit, vegetable, grains and dairy product. Vegetables and pulses. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Pulses are source of protein and monounsaturated fatty acids essential for body. You can consume boiled or cooked vegetables 1 or 2 bowls daily. For lunch, you can have the following list of vegetables: lettuce, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, tomato, carrot, cabbage, beans, bitter gourd, lentils, okra. Fruits. Fruits are also a source of multivitamins and minerals. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. You can consume a fruit dish every day for breakfast. They are also natural source of carbohydrates and fibers. Some of the most healthy fruits are enlisted below: apple, orange, grapes, lime, strawberries, banana, etc. Dairy. Dairy products are not only rich in proteins but also in unsaturated fatty acids. A glass of skimmed milk is ideal for breakfast or before going to bed. Children can consume cream enriched milk. They are rich in calcium required for health of bone and teeth. Some of the most nutritious dairy foods are milk, eggs, cholesterol free butter, cottage cheese, tofu, etc. Grains and cereals. A balanced diet must contain adequate properties of protein. Cereals form an ideal source of carbohydrates. Pulses and grains contains nutritious substances like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus that act as cofactor for enzymatic activities inside the body. The examples are wheat bread, brown rice, oatmeal, pasta, soya bean, cereals, corn, etc. Other products. There are some other sources of protein that play a vital role for body's metabolism. Examples are a piece of chicken or fish is considered healthy for lunch. Nuts are extremely loaded with omega 3 essential fatty acids, a vital component for body. Walnuts, almonds, peanut, chicken, lean meat, salmon, tuna, etc. Food pyramid. Food pyramid is the pyramid is simply a visual guide for understanding which food we should eat and in what proportion. It is a guide for the whole population from age 5 years and upwards. A healthy food pyramid shows a ratio of bread, cereals and potato, fruits and vegetables, milk, cheese and dairy, meat, fish and alternatives, fats, oil and confectionery. So what amount of food item we have taken shown in the pyramid. Dietary reference intake, that is DRI. DRI is new to the field of nutrition. It refers to a set of at least 4 nutrient based reference value that can be used for planning and assessing diets for many other purposes. The reference value, collectively called the DRI, it includes the estimated average requirement EAR, the recommended dietary allowance DRA, the adequate intake AI, the tolerable upper intake level, that is UL. RDA of nutrients, it based on age group 9 to 14, 15 to 18, 19 to 24, 25 to 50, 51 plus, pregnant and lactant ladies, in which calories is about, in a 9 to 14 year age group, about 2200 calorie, 15 to 18 year 2200 calories, 19 to 24 2200 calories, 25 to 50 year 2020 kilocalories, 51 plus 1900 calories, and for pregnant and lactant ladies plus 300 kilocalorie. Along with this data, 5% may be plus or minus according to body build, stature of body, and occupation. This diet contains proteins, calcium, iron, sodium, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and trace element in different proportion. What is RDA of nutrients? RDA represents the establishment of a nutritional norm for planning and assessing diet intake and are the level of intake of essential nutrients considered to be adequate to meet the known needs of practically all healthy people. The first recommended dietary allowance were developed by the United States government in the year 1940s. Other countries have similar recommendation. Recently, United States and Canadian scientists pooled their resources to developed a more detailed set of nutrition recommendations, collectively called the Dietary Reference Intake or DRI. Calculating DRA. The year forms the basis for setting the RDA. If the variation in requirements is well defined and the requirement is normally distributed, the RDA is set at 2 standard deviation, that is SD, above the year. RDA is equal to year plus 2 SD year. If the standard deviations reported in a study are inconsistent, or if sufficient data on variation in requirements are not available for other regions, a standard estimate of variance will be applied. This estimate assumes a coefficient of variation of 10%, which is equal to 1 standard deviation, such as RDA is equal to 1.2 into year. Diet chart. A chart which has the diet intake which you are taking on daily basis. This can be of a week or single day. Balanced diet contains about 40% fruits and vegetables, 10% fats, 25% proteins, and 25% fiber-rich carbohydrate. Diet diary. An accurate, complete record of food intake is best achieved by having the patient keeping a running daily record of meals and between meal snacks. Recording from memory detail concerning the kinds, amount, and preparation of the food eaten is not reliable and should be discouraged. Energy needs of the body. Energy requirement is equal to basal metabolism plus physical activity plus specific dynamic action. Nutrients. Organic and inorganic complexes contained in foods are called nutrients. They are broadly divided into macronutrients, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. trace element calcium, iron, sodium, phosphorus, sulfur. Carbohydrate, function of carbohydrates, energy, detoxification, constituents of nucleotide, fibers, functional component, structural component, storage, form of energy. Food sources of carbohydrates, grains, cereals and legumes, fruits and vegetables, starchy vegetables. Systemic complications, diabetes, hypoglycemia, lactose intolerance. Protein, these are the source of protein. Effect of excess intake of protein, dehydration, increased fat storage, diabetic ketoacidosis, kidney stone, osteoporosis. Protein deficiency, constant craving, muscles and joint pain, cannot sleep well, low energy, moodiness and stress. Lipid, true fats, triglycerols, natural fat as in meat, grain and nuts are made up mostly of triglycerides. Animal fats consist primarily of triglycerides but also contain cholesterol. Processed fat such as shortening contain up to 20% mono and diglycerides. Fatty acid, fully saturated, monosaturated, polyunsaturated. Micronutrients, water and electrolytes. Body fluids. These fluids consist of water, protein, solutions of electrolytes and electrolytes. Major electrolytes, sodium, chloride, potassium, bicarbonate. Minor electrolytes, calcium, sulfate, magnesium, phosphate. Vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin F, vitamin K. Nutritional and dental health in children. You see in this diagram normal teeth and periodontitis, pregnancy and neonatal period. So diet requirement and calorie value should be changed according to age group during pregnancy and lactation. In pregnancy, diet should be changed in first trimester, second trimester and third trimester. Preschool children, nutrition in infancy and preschooler, calcium, proteins, iron, vitamins in proper proportion. At last conclusion, accurate sound knowledge on nutritional information and its association with benefits and risk of oral health among us as periodontists is very much need to ensure uniformity of advice and reassessment if necessary to play a key role in health management. Along with this, nutrition process and value may differ according to mode of living, climate, season, work efficiency and body structures. you also reads in detail about different vitamins, common name, chemical name, daily requirement, source, hypo and hyper conditions in my previous video which is uploaded on YouTube. Thank you. Share, like and subscribe this channel.